What is up, everybody? Welcome to 2019. Hopefully your year is treating you well so far. That's hot. So anyway, 2019 is the year of getting unstuck, the year of no excuses, the year of finally changing things for even better. But I need to know something from you guys. I'm going to do a 2018 year-end review. In 2019, it's been 2 years in the making, by the way. I've been saying it in the back burner. I don't know if many of you have caught it or not, but for the last 3 years, I've been a full-time blogger, and it's always been in the works for the last 2 years that I was going to teach other people how to do this for themselves, because to me, it's pretty much the ultimate in freedom. There's no income ceiling. You can make, 6 figures from anywhere in the world. You're not tied down to location independence, and just the opportunities to monetize whatever you enjoy in life are just endless. And to me, it's the perfect business model. And there's a lot of other things that other bloggers and courses and books and stuff like that don't talk about that I think are extremely advantageous, like the tax benefits of having a lifestyle brand or a lifestyle business. That's going to be like an entire sector, because I don't know how to publicly teach or show people examples of that, because I'm not a CPA, I'm not an attorney, I can't provide legal advice or financial advice or anything like that. But what I can do is show you examples to open up your mind of how you can emulate some of the things that I've done and save a boatload of money on your taxes, how you can bridge the gap between personal and business expenses, and how you can get your business to pay for the majority of your lifestyle so that the income that you do make, you can spend that however you choose, you can invest it, you can do other things, you can reinvest in the business to make it grow like I do and take a low salary. There's all kinds of things that you can do, but I don't see anybody talking about that. And for the last year and a half, that's been like the number one thing for me is, okay, great. It's easy to start a blog and make money, but how do we keep that money? What do you do with it? How do you invest it? How much of it are you going to lose to Uncle Sam? And all kinds of other things that come up that are expenses that you don't foresee. Everybody thinks it's great to make 100, 200 grand a year, but by the time you rob Peter to pay Paul, it's like, okay, well, what are you really left with? Your buying power is like half of what you actually earn. So to me, that's something that's very important. I don't know if other people are interested in that. So part of the reason to make this video is to find out what you guys as subscribers would like to see for 2019. For me, I want to talk about blogging stuff and online business because that's been my passion for the last decade. I enjoy it. I love helping people with it because I'm not only teaching people how to do something, but I'm teaching people a skill that could change the course of their life forever. Rather than, them being in a job that they hate for $45,000 a year, we could teach them in less than 3 years how to start a lifestyle blog for themselves, and make $80 or $90 or $120,000 a year from anywhere in the world and keep the majority of that money by having a lifestyle business. So to me, that's really exciting. And I like the idea of not just doing stuff for money, for really making a difference for people. But not everybody might be interested in that. And so Clever Leverage is going to take a little bit of a turn. It's always been about health, wealth, and online business. The health piece is listed number one now because in 2017 and 2018, I struggled quite a bit with my health. Just generally wasn't feeling well, had some bouts of adrenal fatigue, severe brain fog at times, anxiety, things like that. I'll talk more about it. I don't usually mention it on the channel. I don't really talk about it to anybody, actually. I just keep it to myself because I feel like the more you talk about it, or the more you tell people about it, or the more you vocalize it, the more power you give it, right? So you just tuck your tail between your legs, keep your head down, and just move through it as best you can. Maybe this is right or wrong, I don't know. Maybe there's a better way to handle that. At any rate, I'll talk about it at some point. And the point of me mentioning this is Clever Leverage was really only supposed to be about business in the beginning, and not necessarily blogging. Blogging was a case study for me that turned into a full-fledged lifestyle business. Started on the side, now I do it full-time. It's the best thing that I've ever done. It's the best decision, and I see opportunity for everyone else around me, all around me. Like people that, my cousin should have a vegan blog. My other buddy should have Eric should have a tech review blog. My cousin Little Robert should have a hunting blog. Like all of these people could make a full-time living. Everywhere I see people who can do a variation of this. And I'm not saying do exactly what I do. I'm saying do something totally different than I do but model the framework that got me there. Model the case studies that I've done. Model not the content, but the actual essence, the skeleton, the systematic approach to doing this. And so that's what I want to teach people. But like I said, health stuff has got to be in there somewhere, because to me now health is wealth. When I'm in good health and my brain is working well, it's very easy to make money. When I'm not, it's extremely difficult. And I am extremely, extremely, extremely grateful and thankful that I did have the blog in 2018, because I was able to earn an income and mostly generate semi-passive income. I really didn't work that hard the entire year of 2018, yet I made more money than any other years from the blog. And I'll do a 2018 review. I actually did not meet my income goals for 2018. Income goal was pretty high, but I'll do a separate video on that. Anyway, what I'm thinking is just put this video out and give you just a tidbit. I wanted it to be about 5 minutes long. It looks like we're about 6 minutes. So I'm gonna stop here. But what I wanted to do is just kind of give you a 5-minute version of where my thoughts are. I still wanna do the health stuff. I still wanna do other things with detox and saunas and everything else. But I wanna get back to my original plan, which was helping people with blogs, helping people with online businesses. That's what I really excel at. I think I can deliver a ton of value there without really, it's very easy and effortless for me to do Q&As, to talk to people, to take someone's ideas and kind of foreshadow them into, an actual blog brand. It's very easy. Some people get really stuck by that, but I've been doing it for so long, it's like second nature to me, and I really enjoy it. So I like helping people with that. So my idea was just to give you a brief recap of what's going on and what to expect, and then to really ask you guys, what do you want to see? I'm happy to create all kinds of stuff, but if no one's interested in it, I could really just keep it to myself. I know a lot of people are waiting for me to do some more stuff on the saunas. That will come in time. Once I do the 2018 year-end review, some of that stuff from a financial perspective will make a lot more sense to everybody. I'm gonna film that either later today or tomorrow. Just wanted to do a quick video and see if you can let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see, and hope your 2019 is going great so far.